the coast then turns onto the south coast. So the south coast is where we've got all the cliffs, and the men could swim without any clothes at all, and the women would swim in their old summer dresses, so they were all covered up. So the bailiff sits in the Royal Court, and he sits in the Royal Court with, this is quite different as well, with 16 permanent jurors who are called jurats.
We transfer all of it, the liquid and the barley, up into the For about 2 weeks of the month, the causeway doesn't uncover. The tide doesn't go out low enough, or the low tide's in the middle of the night and you can't go across. Colour here, and this is wool. So it's the same as the one I've got on, but mine's cotton.
prove that to you now. I would like everybody, just have a little sniff of that. Have a sniff, but do a wine sniff. Now, what we're going to do now, you've got that piece of ice in your gin. So that's exactly. Just swirl it around a little bit. Just get it a bit colder. This is what the process that they call, you are now waking up the gin.